Hey y'all, my vanity chair has arrived, as well as my dupe Alex drawers. So I am going to be putting the vanity chair together in this video, and then the next video will be the drawers. And if you are new, please subscribe, click down low, like, comment, and watch, as well as watch my other videos. That's my baby. But for now, we are going to get into this chair. So make sure you have some scissors because these boxes are taped super tight. I did get everything off Amazon. I will have the prices listed down below for you guys. And I just type it in and I find it, so I don't really have like the link or anything like that because I'm not on the computer, I'm on my phone. But they are on Amazon. All you have to do is type it in Vanity Chair and Alex dupes and they will pop up. And we're just going to get into it. So I got the white chair with the little ripples in it because I have back problems and I have to have a strong brace on my back, but comfortable as well. Of course, it has to match the decor in my room, and this was very inexpensive. I think I paid like under 60 bucks for this chair, so it's really quick to put together and it is very, very comfortable, y'all. Let me tell y'all, very comfortable. So this is just me pulling everything out the box. You don't have to sit through all that. You can skip through, see me put the chair together. If not, you can sit here and watch because I like it either way. I love y'all regardless. Everybody had a moment. But these are the wheels to the chair. Put those aside. This is the base of the chair, little starfish. Just gonna pull these off. And these were connected, so they were harder to come off, the middle ones, because they were like taped together. That's why you see me pulling right here. But yeah, I had to end up using the scissors because they were taped and not just on there like the other ones were. So now that I have that off, turn it upside down to the right side up, and that is the base of the chair. And they have instructions, but it's really common sense. Like, you really know how to put it together just by looking at it. So this is the leverage for the chair. These are the screws and the instructions and the middle pole that I'm going to open. Mind you, the nail guy did my nails too long. As you can see, I had already painted them, but from the last video with the chokers or whatnot, but they were so long that I couldn't even like really grip anything. So you see me using scissors for the most part. And after I did these videos, I literally like clipped them down to standard size nails and just found them out so they looked like they were still done freshly from the shop. But I'm never going back to that nail shop again. This is me trying to figure out what it was, but it literally is like the pole to the chair. I got oil all on my fingers because it's lubricated so that it doesn't stiffen up. And these are just the screws being poured out and me opening the instructions to make sure that the idea I have in my head is the idea that's on the paper. Make sure you put all your trash in the box. Do not leave it on the floor because once you're done, then you have to clean that mess up just to move the chair out the way. So I'm the type of person that I wash dishes as I'm cooking. If I throw up, I rinse it down the sink at the same time. Like, I use Clorox and clean up everything. So I'm very OCD because I have eczema and any dust can make me break out. So yeah, y'all see me scooping up trash and throwing it into the box while I'm working because that's just a habit. Plus, when you become a mom, that's something that you truly pick up on, whether you know it or not. You clean as you go. This is me trying to figure out what was the top and the bottom of the chair, but clearly the black part is the bottom of the chair. Why wasn't I thinking that? I don't know. Y'all don't judge me. Everybody go through it. So now that I have the bottom of the chair, you turn it over and then you get the leverage for the chair and the screws to go to it and screw it on. This is just me making sure that whichever side you pull for the leverage is the side that's going to go up, because once you sit down, you don't want to pull it and it goes the opposite way and does not work. So that's what I was doing right there. And now that I have the screws, I'm going to go ahead and start screwing them in. As y'all can see, I was struggling with these nails. Like, I like my coffin shaped nails, but I don't need no ghetto ass coffin shaped nails. Like, I don't do the long stuff. I'm still classy with mines. And I already have long fingers, so extra long nails make me look like a witch, and that was not cool. What I do is just, I put the first screw in and I screw it halfway. That way I know that the leverage doesn't fall. And then I get the other screws and I screw them all in halfway. That way I know it's evenly in place. And once I have it evenly in place, then I go ahead and screw everything all the way down. That way nothing's crooked. So what we're gonna do here is kind of speed up the process a little bit, and I'm just gonna flash forward with a little bit of speed, not too much, just to show you guys what I was just saying, and hurry up and get to the main part, which is putting the chair together. So I'm just gonna let the music play. I'm gonna stop babbling and I'm gonna just let y'all watch. This is just a different angle so you guys can see what I'm actually talking about and what I'm doing. And no, I do not have anyone to help film for me. So when you see the camera moving around, that's because I'm moving it myself. But yeah, this is me screwing in the bottom of the thing. And then we're going to get on to the next part. This is where you stick the pole all the way down until it clicks in, and then once you have that in, you can go ahead and adjust the top of the chair. I thought you had to screw it in, so that was me twisting, but you don't, because as you can see, it already pushed through on the bottom. So now I'm going to add all of the wheels on, and then I'm going to turn it back over and add the top of the chair. So now I am adding the top of the chair, and all you have to do is press down on it because it doesn't need to be screwed in. And once you sit down on it and pull the lever, it will go down. And then once you get off and you pull the lever again, it goes up on its own. So that is it for the chair, y'all. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Talk to you guys later. Toodles. Excuse my butt.